Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving the EXFAT file system, volmgr.sys blue screen error you are experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to resolve this error message. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we are going to start off by opening up the search menu. Type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on it and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. And now I will have a few commands in the description of my video, guys. Copy the first one. It's the system file checker utility. So go ahead and copy it. And then go up the top bar of the command prompt window here, right click on it, select Edit, and then paste it in. Hit enter to begin the system scan. This will take a couple minutes to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once you're done running that first command, go ahead and copy the second one in the description of my video and go ahead and run that one as well. And once you're done with that, we're going to go ahead and copy and paste in the third command and select paste and hit enter. So tap the Y key on your keyboard, hit enter, and now you're going to have to close out of here and restart your device. And it will ask if you want to skip the disk checking, press any key to skip it. However, do not click any key to skip it. I'm just going to skip it just to keep the video a little bit shorter. So you're going to see a little pop-up here. It's going to say to stop disk checking, press any key within 7 seconds, 6 seconds, for example. I will tap a key, but in your case, do not. Just let it actually run the scan. And then hopefully that should be able to actually diagnose and fix the problems you were having on your computer. And hopefully that should be able to resolve the EXFAT file system blue screen error you were experiencing on your computer. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.